Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus. You have to start by open the charging case, and if your earbuds don't connected with another device, then will enter to prank mode automatically, and you will see it by the LED light with blinking red and blue. Now, if your device already connected with another device, or you just want to enter prank mode manually because you don't want to prank mode automatically, near to the USB-C port right here we have connection button. You need to press and hold this button until the LED lights start blinking blue and red. And then you will enter to prank mode manually. And now we see them at the device list, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!